We're at Trotter Ford in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and this is just a quick tutorial about what to do when you get here for service. If you're here for an oil change, tire rotation, you're just getting fluids flushed in your vehicle, you'll want to go to the quick lane. Quick lane, you don't need an appointment or anything like that. You just pull right up into here, and this is two driveways, one on the left and one on the right. So the one on the right was for quick lane. You pull right up in here, and if this is backed up with a lot of people, you can simply park right here. And once you get here, you just get out of your vehicle. You come right on through here. And through this door is the quick lane. We'll walk through here. You'll find a couple of ladies. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Doing good. And then right in here is a waiting room. And you've got restrooms right here. Destiny this morning, and she's fixing to tell us about a new thing they're doing here at Trotter Ford.
Hey guys, so we have started now with the electronic processing system, and we take pictures of the vehicle when it comes in of the miles, all corners of the vehicle. And then when the guys get ready to do their inspection, they'll do a whole video, show you your battery, your filters, your brakes, your tires. If you got any kind of leaks or if you got any type of suspension problem, they'll show it to you in the video, and you get it sent to your phone so you can see it for yourself, in other words.
Oh man, that is awesome. So pretty much you're not taking your word for it. Now we're showing you a video of exactly what's going on.
Seeing is believing.
That is really cool. Well, Destiny, thank you for your time this morning.
Oh, thank you. Yep.
Now, if you're here for something other than quick lane, if you're here for an appointment, it's going to take a while. You pull into the left side, and over here, all your service riders are on this side, and these are who you talk to when you get here for an appointment. And then you got a waiting room over here. You just walk in through here. This is the showroom floor. Pretty sweet old timer car right there. What you do is you walk around this corner, and this is the other waiting room. Right here, you can get a cup of coffee. It's always gone. Right over here, you got vending machines. You can get you a snack or something to drink. Right here's some more lounging chairs. And this is also a big window, so you can come over here and take a peek of your vehicle getting worked on in real time. Right over here is where the parts department is. We've got a lot of merch, like the Yukon outfit is. You got all these tumblers. Got these soft ice chests. We also have these really cool ice chests and occasion fryers over there. Right around here, lots of cool stuff. The restrooms right here. You got the ladies' room and the gentleman's room. And this is the actual parts desk right here. Any kind of parts you want to order, you come right here and they'll get you taken care of.